Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm up here in northern Minnesota doing a little ice fishing out on a small lake for some panfish. It's got some big bluegill and some nice crappie in it, and seems a snowstorm just moved in, so we'll see if we can pluck a few fish. So stick around, let's get at it. Here we go. There we go. First fish on. Feels like a nice one. Marking a pile of fish now. Nice gill. Look at that gill. Yeah. Look at the size of that gill. First fish of the day. Got that on a tungsten jig. Nice big gill. Probably in that 8-9 inch range. Let's let that go and get some more. We're marking them right now. Yeah, let's get back down there. Here comes something. There we go. All right, another fish on. Nice fish. What do we got here? Look at that. Perch. Little bonus fish. Oh. Let's let that guy go and go back for them gills. Oh, here comes another one right now. Bam! Wow, okay. They are hungry now. Oh, another big gill. Oh, yeah. Oh, I think I just broke my line. Oh, it just came off. That was a big, big gill. Holy cow, that was a big, big gill. Come on. There, got him. Oh, this one feels good. They're getting a little finicky with this snowstorm coming in, but got a few came through and picked one off the top. See what it is. Big, big gill. Wow, look at that. The size of that gill. I got to get back down there, guys. I want to get more of these in there. That could be almost pushing 10 inches. Look at that monster gill, guys. Let's get back down. We're marking more big fat. Let's get her back. Let's get back down there. Alright guys, it's getting pretty dark out, so I'm going to call it for the night. I'm going to be back on this lake tomorrow and the next day, so stick around. There should be some more videos of these monster bluegills. It's nice I got a few tonight. Seemed to get a little finicky with the snowstorm coming in. But like I said, stick around. We'll see you back on the ice.